How do we solve this math? As you can see, we have del over here, and this is a partial derivative. At first, when we try to do the derivative with respect to p, we write this as it is. Now, what we need to do over here is we know that when we derive something that is d dx of e to the power x is simply e to the power x. It does not change. So when it comes to del p, this will remain the same, which is e minus 7p by q. Now, when I said we have to do dx of e to the power x equals to e to the power x, what if it is something like d dx of e to the power x square? In that case, this will be again e to the power x square into, we have to again do d dx of x square because this is a term on its own, which comes to e to the power x square into 2x. Similarly, we need to do the same for this math, which is we need to do the del p of minus 7p by q. When it comes to partial derivatives, if there is a constant which is in the form of either multiplication or division, in that case we have to consider them as constant. What happens over there is, if I just write more simply, when we try to differentiate this thing, we have to write minus 7p becomes minus 7 because the d dx of p is simply 1. But when it comes to q, this is a constant, so this will remain as it is. So this stands as minus 7 by q. So the entire math result is minus 7 e to the power minus 7p by q divided by q. I hope you'll understand a bit more when I try to do the same math for q, which is del q of e to the power minus 7p by q. So what happens? E to the power minus 7 by p is e to the power minus 7 by p. Now, when we try to differentiate this part now, it becomes minus 7p, because remember p is in the form of division over here, so p is a constant over here, and when we try to derive 1 by q, this will come to 1 by minus 1 by q square. So the same thing over here, this is 1 by q, so the minus minus becomes plus, and then q becomes q square. Thus, let me remove this so you don't get confused. Thus, the result of the math becomes 7p e to the power minus 7p by q divided by q square.